What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's 6:57 over here on the West Coast, so whoever on the West Coast probably knocked out. I'm up here trading. Figured I would share with y'all what I'm doing. Look at my cat. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna just go ahead and talk about it. Dang, what is that? What's up, y'all? Good morning. I'm up here trading. If y'all ain't know, I'm a trader in the stock market. So what I'm doing, it's been like 30 minutes, or almost 30 minutes, since the bell rang. So what I do, this is a trade that I'm in. It's called XLE. It's energy. It's like a collection of multiple energy stocks. Hold on. So what I'm doing is I'm setting up my chart for the day and figuring out whether or not I think it's going to hit my target. So I'm in this thing called an option. You may have heard about it. But an option is when you decide, well, if it's a call, you basically, it's not betting, but it's kind of betting. So you basically saying, I think this stock going to get to a certain amount. So like right here, you see it say 49.80. So I could say, I think that this stock is going to get to $50. And once it gets to $50, I make money. But it's a lot more to it. But for the most part, that's what it is. And I actually do have an options call for this play saying that I think it's going to get to $50. So I'm kind of waiting. It actually had hit $50 already, but it dropped down. So what I was doing with these lines that I just created is this was the high of the first 30 minutes. Right here, this little long line means that it got up as high as that, which is $50.29. And then this line right here means it got as low as that, which is $49.73. So what I'm going to do is, hold on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait to see if these little bar sticks or candlesticks reach here and break this line. This line is for $50.29. Remember, I said I got a call for $50. So once it hits all of this, then I'll be in a profit and I'll be making money today. So that's what's going on with that. I'm going to show y'all another play I'm in. This other play I'm in. Let me wave at y'all. What's up, y'all? Good morning. This other play I'm in is called, the ticker is BTBT, Bit Digital. And I got into a put option with them because I'm going to show y'all this. Earlier in the week, their stock was all the way up to $20. Now, today, it is down right now, currently $13.67. So I saw that coming. So what I did was I got in a put option saying that I think it's going to drop down to about $12. And I'm almost there. So this play right here is pretty profitable. This morning when I woke up, I was up about 47%. So that's cool. So what we're going to do now, for real, is just wait. Well, I'm in a few other plays, so let me go ahead and check out some of the charts for the other plays I'm in. So I'm in this company called Vuzi. Well, I don't even think that's their name. It's like Vuzix or something like that. But Vuzi is their ticker. So I'm going to do the same thing with them. Create these lines. Create another one. It went that high down here and went this low. Now, if it looks like it could break down this, if it does, then I mean, I don't know, my play might be in the red, but it don't mean it's not gonna come back up. Let's see, who else I'm in? I'm in this company called KOPN. So same thing for them. What's today, the 12th? Lines again. So if anybody was ever interested in stock market trading, not investing, this is more trading. I mean, it's like an investment like tactic, but unless you're gonna take the money from your trades and put it into investments like long term, that's when it's investing. But this right here is trading. It's basically to make money for the day, for the week, for the month. It depends on if you're a swing trader or whatever. So that's what I'm doing, creating these lines again. And I'm basically just going to watch it and wait for a breakout. Let me go back to this. Actually, I need to do BTBT on this. What's up, y'all? Good morning. Waving to all y'all. Somebody say good morning to me. Let me know if you're on the East Coast, if you're on the West Coast. If you're on the West Coast with me, that means you up early as shit at 7 a.m. Well, 7 a.m. ain't that early. But if you woke up at 5, you wake up at 5 like me, that's what's up. So anyway, we back at BTBT. Let me look at this real quick. So basically what I did, like I'm saying, if it's somebody that was interested, like if you brand new in stock market trading and stuff, I'm teaching you some real basics, but it's real, it's a key to making some money. So what I did, I'm gonna explain real quick. So these little things, the green, red, these are candlesticks. Now, depending on the time frame that you do, so up here, you got 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 2 hours, 4 hours, 1 day. These are my personal preferences. You can do 1 minute, you can do 1 hour, you can do whatever. But those are my preferences. So when I select 1 day, that means that each candlestick represents 1 day. So as of right now, this is today. Today isn't over with yet. The stock market closes at 4 o'clock on the East Coast, 1 o'clock on the West. So by the time the day is up, then this candlestick will probably look like one of these. So what I did was, these little lines right here, let me see if I can get rid of it so y'all can see. Nah, I don't want to get rid of it because I charged it. But anyway, I can hide it though. I'm going to hide it. Boom. So this is how it would look normally. And so what I did was I did this indicator called a Fibonacci retracement. This is real, not real advanced, but it's advanced if you don't really know what I'm talking about. But I'm still going to explain it. So what happens is, I'm going to add it back. Oh, actually, I'm going to show y'all how to create it. So what I did was, this was a low right here. It's at the low. Probably was that July 20th, it was real low. So I select that and I go all the way up here to where it was at its highest, which was on August 9th. I select that. Hold on. Try to do this with one hand. It's kind of low. Do it again. Select it. Boom. Go up to its high. And that's what those lines are that you saw a second ago. So what I'm doing is, like I was saying earlier, I got into this play making a educated guess, I'll say, that it was going to drop down to $12. Right now it opened up at $13.90. Earlier in the week it was at $20. So based on my analysis and stuff like that, I said it was going to go down to $12. It looks like I'm on the right track because it was going down each day. So what I was doing, and this is what was helping me do it, is this indicator was a part of it. There's other stuff that I did too, and I'll go over that. So again, like I said, I'm on a 1 day chart. The reason that I came up with the $12 is because, for one, let's look at it. Let's zoom out. This is it overall, at least for 2021. So that's the beginning of 2021, and this is where we are now. So as you can see, it's been on a downtrend. Like it had its times when it was up, then it dropped, then up, then it dropped, up, drop, all of that. But then right here, it's just been slowly going down, down, down. What's up, y'all? I'm waving at y'all. Good morning. So, let me show you this. A downtrend basically means, let me do this, that it's going down. You see that? And then it had this moment where it just shot up. I don't even know why it shot up. I wasn't really paying attention to this stock until it started shooting up. Usually what I do is when I see that a stock is shooting up, I wait. I chart it on this thing called stockcharts.com, BTBT. I saw that it shot up, and I look at this little thing, this indicator is called RSI, this right here. And when it's here up in the green, that means a lot of people have been buying it. If it's over 70, usually it's pretty overbought. That means a lot of people been buying it, and they've been making money because the stock been shooting up. However, when it shoots up too much and too fast, then usually it's going to fall back down. As you can see, it always falls back down. It was up, it falls down. So that shot up a lot. So what I said is I'm going to wait till it finishes shooting up, and I'm going to do a put option, like I was talking about earlier, saying that it's going to drop down. So that's where I got my $12 from, and we almost there. So as soon as it hit $12, and I'm already making money because since it's on its way to $12 before the date that I said it will, then the contract that I got in became more, the value is up more. So if I wanted to, I could sell the contract and I can make money. I was up this morning like 47%. To put that in perspective, all right, let me see. When y'all got like checkings and savings, your savings be like, if you put money into this account, then probably every month will give you a 0.3% or 0.1%. I think the most probably like Ally Bank might do like 3%, or sometimes per year you might get 3% interest on your savings account. So that's 3% interest of whatever money that you got sitting in your savings. But if today, in one day, I woke up and my option play was at 47%, that's a huge difference. So basically, the whole point of this is to grow your money a little faster. I kind of look at my investing like a savings account so that I can put as long as you know what you're doing, though, because you could lose your money too. And you will still lose your money even when you know what you're doing, because sometimes all of this analysis and stuff that you do, it don't matter. Like it's probably still just going to go wrong depending on what the economy and stuff is going on. But like I said, putting it into perspective, if I had 47% return today and I just got into this play 2 days ago, so in 2 days, I got a 47% return on my money. But savings accounts, you get probably like the most of 3% return in a year. Then, I mean, you can do the math to see which one makes the most sense. But anyway, I'm going to go back to, I'm in a day chart, so I'm going to go back to my 5 minutes. Actually, I don't want to go to 5, I'm going to go to 15. Just go back and see if it's dropping still. Because really all I want this to do is drop. So when the bell opened up, it dropped down. That's cool. It went up, dropped down, up. I need this to drop to $12. So y'all pray for me. I wanted to go under $12 so I could make more money. But, I know how to take my profits too. Like, I'm not about to sit here and lose out on the profit just because I'm waiting for it to drop more. Sometimes when you get greedy, then you end up losing all your money. But anyway, I'm going to go back to this other chart, XLE, the other play that I'm in. So what I'm basically waiting for with this is for it to come back up, break this line. This is what I want to happen. It's not to say it will, but from all of the charting and the studying that I've been doing for the whole week that I've been in this play, I do believe that it's going to go up. And that's why I have a call option for $50 for it. I'm going to go to it on the day chart, though, see if it's still doing what I need to do. What's up, y'all? Good morning. Good morning. I'm going over some stock stuff, so a lot of y'all probably don't really know what I'm even talking about. But if you do, that's what's up. And maybe this will spark some interest in somebody to want to start getting into the stock market, because that's a real good way to start growing your money, your wealth and stuff once you know what you're doing, All right. So basically, like I was saying, it's kind of like a waiting game, because I don't get into like 10 plays at a time in a day. I don't have time for that because I got other stuff to do. I run my businesses and stuff, so I stay in probably like 4 plays at a time, 2 options plays, and then I'm doing some swing trades on this company that I was saying, Voozy, and then this other company called KOPN. So that's probably what I'm about to do, is just go ahead into some work, and I'm going to let these charts do what it do. We'll let these plays do what it do, and I'm going to check in with y'all and let y'all know how much money I made. If anybody got some questions or anything they saw, you can DM me. I'm an open book. I don't mind explaining some stuff to y'all. Oh no, it's going up. But see, when I see it going up, I don't get afraid. Like, I'm still patient about it. And the reason being is because I trust my charting. So like, especially like when I look at this, actually, let me just look at it on, sometimes I like looking at the bar. I'm gonna go back to 5 minutes. So I'll break it down to 5 minutes, and I will see. Actually, I can't really chart it. It's too early. But in 5 minutes, it's hit this level right here of a resistance. Oh, it's breaking it. So y'all seeing it live at this point. But initially, I was going to say that this was the resistance. So it's there's this thing called support and resistance. So right here, the lowest, I kind of showed y'all earlier when I created those lines, that was like a support and resistance. But down here would be the support, especially if it comes down and bounces right here again. I would create a line because 2 of the candlesticks hit that support level. But right here, this is resistance because the candlestick has hit it multiple times and it could not break it, but y'all also just saw it break it. So it's possible that it's going to keep going up, but this could also be a fake out and it's not going to break it. And my phone dying. But so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna kind of watch this stuff till about, let me see, it's 7:15 here. About 9 o'clock, I think it's gonna start doing some things, so we're gonna see. But I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of what I do in the morning. And I'm going to keep doing this because maybe I'm going to spark some interest in somebody to want to start investing their money into the stock market. And like I said, what I'm doing is trading. This isn't necessarily investing, but it is a tactic that you can use to start investing and putting your money into longer term plays. But it also is great so that you can put a return on your money. So anyway, it's 7:15. I'm about to go make me some Delgado coffee and probably some breakfast. Go wake Karis up, bother her a little bit. And then I'm going to come back to these charts. Let's see. And like I said, pray for me, y'all. Just need to get to $12. All right, peace out.